JEE Advanced 2025, Paper 2, Mathematics, Question 10. Let us visualize the binomial coefficients ai for the expansion of 1 plus 2x over 5 raised to the power 23. This bar chart shows ai for I from 0 to 12. Notice that the values increase up to I equals 6, where they reach the maximum and then decrease. The red bar at I equals 6 is the largest. Let us keep this chart as a reference while we prove that the maximum is at I equals 6. The question says, let a 0, a 1 up to a 23 be real numbers such that 1 plus 2x over 5, all raised to the power 23, equals the sum of ai times x to the I, for I from 0 to 23. Let ar be the largest among aj for j from 0 to 23. Find r. Before solving, let us recall the key concepts. First, the binomial theorem, 1 plus t raised to n equals the sum of n choose I times t to the I. Second, the general term in our expansion is ai equals 23 choose I times 2 over 5 raised to the I. Third, to find the maximum term, we use the ratio test. If ai over ai minus 1 is greater than 1, the sequence is still increasing. Step 1, using the binomial theorem, we expand 1 plus 2x over 5, raised to 23. The general term is 23 choose I times 2 over 5, raised to I, times x to the I. So ai equals 23 choose I times 2 over 5 to the power I. Step 2, we compute the ratio ai over ai minus 1. The ratio of consecutive binomial coefficients, 23 choose I over 23 choose I minus 1, simplifies to 24 minus I, divided by I multiplying by the extra factor of 2 over 5, we get ai over ai minus 1 equals 2 times 24 minus I, divided by 5i. Step 3, the sequence ai is increasing when the ratio is greater than 1. Setting 2 times 24 minus I over 5i greater than 1, we get 2 times 24 minus I greater than 5i, that is 48 minus 2i greater than 5i, so 48 greater than 7i, giving us I less than 48 over 7, which is approximately 6.857. Step 4, since I must be a non-negative integer, the sequence ai is increasing for I less than or equal to 6 and decreasing for I greater than or equal to 7. This means a 6 is the largest term. Therefore, r equals 6. We can verify, a 6 over a 5 equals 36 over 30, which is 1.2 greater than 1. And a 7 over a 6 equals 34 over 35, approximately 0.97, less than 1. This confirms that the maximum occurs at I equals 6. The correct answer is r equals 6. The largest coefficient ar occurs at r equals 6, because the ratio test shows the sequence increases for I up to 6 and decreases from I equals 7 onwards. The threshold value 48 over 7 is approximately 6.857, and the largest integer below this is 6. Here are some important tips for JEE Advanced. Tip 1. To find the largest term in any binomial expansion, use the ratio of consecutive terms. If ai over ai minus 1 is greater than 1, the sequence is still increasing. Tip 2. The ratio of consecutive binomial coefficients Cni over Cni minus 1 equals n plus 1 minus I over I. Memorize this formula for quick computation. Tip 3. When the critical value is not an integer, take the floor function. Tip 4. Always verify your answer by checking the ratios at the boundary indices. If you found this solution helpful, please like and subscribe for more JEE Advanced solutions at MAGPIEHUB. See you in the next question.